Hello, beautiful people. How are you? Welcome back to my attic. I am Michelle Ray Smith, and this is my YouTube channel called The Attic Addicts. And I just wanted to tell you guys about one of the things that I should have done at the beginning of Poshmarking and how that one bad decision still affects me today, 6 months later. What I'm talking about is organization, organizing, taking time away from what I really love to do, which is to shop and organize. All right, so fine, I procrastinated. I'll admit it. I watched another YouTuber and she said, don't do this. Make sure you get yourself organized. And I don't know why I didn't listen. But anyways, I'm going to help you today figure out and learn how to get yourself slightly organized at the beginning without a lot of overhead, because you don't want to spend so much, money getting things going. You're going to have to spend a little bit of money, but I'm hoping I can help you today find a way to save a little money and get what you need to stay organized. It's going to save you time. It's going to save you frustration. So anyway, here we go. Number one, spreadsheet. You need a spreadsheet. Excel, Google Page, whatever. I have Google Page. Computer's like a foreign object to me. And my 13-year-old son actually made me a Google spreadsheet. And I love it. All I know how to do is put numbers in, and that's what I do. Numbers, and then the, name of my garment. But this is imperative to start with that, number one. Number two, you're going to need something to store all your things in. Okay, so there's two ways you can go. You can do bins, which are fabulous, but obviously they're a little costly. Or you can do boxes. So I started out doing boxes. What I did was I actually ordered them from Amazon. I think they were 20 of them for $39. Pretty good size. I actually have it here. I'll show it to you. Pretty good size box. And I got 20 of these and made a huge mistake when I was putting them together. I don't earth to Michelle. Hello, McFly. I don't know why I didn't tape the bottom of my boxes, okay? I just did this thing where I folded them and flipped them over and stuck all my bags in there. And then, of course, we know what happened. I put too many stinking bags in it. Every time I picked them up, the frickin' bottom fell out. And then I just had a bunch of crap everywhere, all right? This is what I did for the first 100 or so of my first pieces of inventory. And it started to get away from me and started to get really out of control. So I went through and I pulled everything out. I relabeled everything, and I recently bought bins. Okay, but let me tell you from the beginning. So you've got your, what do you want to call it? Your spreadsheet. And now you've got boxes. That's great. That's probably the cheapest way to do it, because like I said, $39 for 20 boxes. And I got 12 bins for $144. I got my bins from Walmart. They're hefty bins. They have really nice tops on them. And what I do with those is I just label it 1 to 55. And I go and I use a gallon hefty bag. Hefty I like. They're a little bit more expensive than some of the other ones, but when you get a big fat sweater in there and you're cramming it in, it's ripping. They're ripping. So go ahead and try to get the Ziploc ones. Of course, I ordered them from Amazon, and I think it's 152 of them for 13 or 15 bucks. I'm not sure. So as you can see, I have my garment in my plastic bag, so it stays nice and clean, because you want things to look clean and nice. And then I take my sticky note here. This is not a good example. Okay, so this bag is one of the bags that when I sell something, because I'm not organized at the beginning, I am towards the end, because I went ahead and organized the last 300. The first 100, when somebody buys it, I'm like, oh my gosh, please, please, baby Jesus, make it something with a number. Because if I don't, you guys, I have so much stuff and it all looks the same. It takes me sometimes a half an hour. I have to pull each one out and look at it. So anyway, take your item. This is a cute little linen J. Crew number. Put it in the bag and mark it. Number 15, I write on it J. Crew, because when I'm ripping through a bag, a bin with numbers, I want to see it real fast. I want to read it real quick to make sure it's the right one. So when you're starting out, these are the things that I recommend that you pick up. Very simple. You need a spreadsheet. You need to make a spreadsheet. Number 2, get some boxes. If you have Amazon deliver every other day to your house like I do, save them. You don't have to be fancy. Get some Ziploc bags and some sticky notes. The Ziploc bags you can put all your garments in, and the sticky notes you can use to label them. Now, you're going to need tape. We go through tape like there's no tomorrow. I really like this tape from Amazon, and it's called Duct Tape HD Clear. And I bought 6 of these. They were super affordable. They have awesome ratings on Amazon, and the tape is nice and thick. Now, don't be cheap on the tape. Don't, because you know what? When it's thin and nasty, it takes you twice as long. And I find that I have to use more tape because it rips half the time. So other than a Sharpie, that's about all you guys need. I hope that that helps you a little bit. It's always so exciting getting started. But like I said, the biggest mistake I made was not being organized. So that's number 1. I am so thankful that you guys stopped by to say hi and spend some time with me. And I just wanted to do one more thing because I think it's really important. At the end of each video, I want to share with you something fabulous that I purchased from another Poshmark seller. All right, so I was so psyched to get these. Okay, I don't know if you guys know about these, but these are Josie Moran, and they're the argan oil sticks. They're so amazing. I have really dry skin, and I like something that's like sheer with a little bit of glow. And I got 6 of these brand new, absolutely gorgeous. One of these is like $30. I think I got these for like, I don't know, $40. And you know what? That's what's so amazing about being a part of Poshmark. You can get I can't even tell you how many amazing things. You can get almost anything. So yeah, these are the sticks. They're full of vitamin E and argan oil and all that other good stuff. And I wanted to say a shout out to @KateSells2. @KateSells2, thank you so much for these argan oil sticks. I love them. Thank you for the incredible deal. And again, take some time, look around Poshmark, see what you guys can find. And I can't wait to see you next week with something new and exciting. And I think maybe something with sourcing. We'll see. Bye, guys. Take care. Be well.